Ndraukei Township and Port Facility Development. A significant milestone for the Ndraukei project was the formal signing of GW release law August 2024 and more Papa Block around of government around Napa you working work law development law province law August last year. We are particularly excited about the new Ndraukei Port and Industrial Township development, a cornerstone of the economic strategy. This visionary project will ride on the Manus Special Economic Region Act and will serve as economic hub for industry and innovation, creating new opportunities for employment, investment, and trade in the medium and long term. It will not only support local businesses and attract major investments, but also act as a means of regional development, driving us closer to economic activity.